manje-ke ngoba sibabamba ngo-enter siya.
No, we are going to five-a-side men's game. Upper room in our games. Where amadoda azobazona ubudoda.
Ngiyakuthola sike sibambane into serious.
South, Johannesburg South. We're on our way there now.
So it's just a place to have fun, aside from Yonkinto, just us as men.
Yeah, so there will be ice breaking. There are some speeches that will come in, just and some principles that you must have in your life as a man.
Yes.
So, and at the same time, playing a game. And the reason of Galipola is just to get to know each other better. Yeah, that's all.
You know what? Akusho ukuthi uma uyindoda okanye ubonisa ubudoda bakho kushiya umuntu wesifazane sohlangana namanye amadoda whereby we'll be engaging as singabantu engaging life, engaging nabanye abantu besilisa so khuluma ngobudoda ndoda iba indoda.
We're about to, as you can see, it's a very formal place for guys to play soccer, have a jovial and a relaxed mood. So we're about to go to the grounds, and I heard that there'll be an ice break, like I said before. Pastor Bart is preparing, Nani, I'm preparing.
Yeah, you know, it comes to a point whereby you take off a hat, you're well past, and you need to engage with the guys and have that team team playing time with the guys. As we said, we are here as my guys just to engage and talk up more about ubudoda, nokuba indoda. Keep watching and stay tuned. Cool. Welcome back. We're here now. We've arrived to destination. We are here. Sise Ritafe Farm. Yeah, Ritafe Farm, whereby we'll be with a chance. It's engaging, playing soccer.
Yeah, it's one of those things that is sitting in as uplifter in daughter. There's a show which they meet together and start playing soccer. It's a nice place. I can tell you now. Very, very, very jovial place. And people are just enjoying themselves. It's Friday.
Yeah, it's Friday. We'll be here. Listen, let us not waste any time. Come with us, join us. It's a pity I won't be playing Umalume Ushiyama Cox Army. So I think I have to be an assistant coach to Pastor Chris.
Yeah, I'm the coach of the team. I got 5 guys who are very good.
Yeah. We have to, Shut up.
Physical awareness or physical health, because ikhona lento ethi uma umzimba right nengqondo iba right, so kumele sikunakekele nokudla kwethu uwokhe nje noma ungawokhanyana ungahlali usemotweni njalo ube ushiya imoto la uyojika lapha ekhoneni kancane ucala kancane uzinakekele nokudla nje bafowethu. Ikhona lento ukuthi umuntu ipapa libe ngaka nje phezulu akakayiqeda kahle noma suthi umuntu ufuna ukuyisa la
izinto
Tulamtana mulukhalela Tulamtana
the corner. It's 50 years and below. Because when it's a little 450, it's so okuthela isingakwenzi. Yabo. Ukonakala omningi ngeke sakwazi ukulungisa ngale. Kodwa sesingambiza nje shabalala ukuthi isingayike. Kulezi ntandoda la ngidlule khona la ayi ndoda ungayila la ungangena la ungabhayisi la phuma kanje yabo because zonke lezi zinto ufuna umtshela into eyi-1 ongakaze ayi-attend i-webinar la ekhaya yonke into esikhuluma lapha angeke uthole esontweni lapho and guarantee you. And inkinga ukuthi singamadoda singabantu besilisa sithwele ubona ngani ukuthi amadoda athwele ubona ngendlela abaphuza ngayo ukuthi hayi no lo muntu akasaphuzi ngoba asijabulisi yabo akaphuzi ngoba abathu uyasijabulisa sakaphuza leyinkinga yabo ubona ngabathi decisions wethu ukuthi hayi kule nkinga la Ama-decision nje siwathatha-ke esontweni angisakhulumi ngaphandle nasekusontweni nje ukuthi ama-decision alo muntu yabo so kuyabona ukuthi kunenkinga but kunokuthi sijajane sihlekane sikhulumane kahle asihlanganile abobaba abadala bebathola indawo kube isibaya kuthiwa amani lapho esibayeni madoda lihlale khona kulungisisa but manje thina siyakhona ngeke kuhlala sihambe sihlale ey'bayeni kunanama-altar amaningi ahlukahlukene yabo so ngcono sithole lento eyabizwa ujesu kuzenzo 2 wathi wabiza amadoda ukuthi awahlale e-upper room wacothi ahlale khona alindele isithembiso but ziningi izinto ezenzekayo kuphi e-upper room.
Yeah, no, we're back at the five-a-side games. Engaging Life is here. Ngiphethe abazalwane or soccer players. Abazobe badlala ibhola khona manje nje. Ngiphethe uSifiso ngapha. Ngiphethe my brother ke lana. Umthandazo omkhulu.
Bashido laba this is what
No. Yeah. So yeah. But what's happening here? Amadoda ahlangana and they're playing soccer, and the purpose of that is just to get to know each other much better.
Yeah, actually, that's an only mandate we can have for now. Which we are here engaging namadota ngobudota. So kulmanabo, but it's not up to us to tell you guys which we're here for what. We aligned you. So Bugubo, my brother, kumlalelo nombukelo engaging life. Tell us this which ubani and why are you here?
Come on, Sfiso. We are here, like the guys have mentioned. It's all about men. We are here just to engage, network, play soccer outside of church. Just get to know each other better, different churches here. So it's just the matter of us mixing as guys and gents and no ladies. Only gents. Continue to Shabalala.
Oh, mina ngumzwandile wakashabalala. As Mr. Mahlango sekeshilo, we are just here to engage and kuhlanganisa nokukhuluma ngobudoda and how to groom each other from boy to be a man. So yiloko nje sikuzele la and then sibone ukuthi abafowethu babone ukuthi kukuhle siqale sidlala ibhola ngoba vele abafana bathanda ibhola and then we grew up from that and then nabo baba ngapha sizokhulisana sibukisane ukuthi impilo iya kanjani phambili.
Yeah, siyabonga kakhulu. It's an upper house.
Yes.
I-organization yamadoda. Yabona? So it's very, very, very important ukuthi kana si-align ngobudoda and isikhathi siphila kuso because a man and a boy are very different people.
Bashilo ubaba uShabalala ushilo ukuthi kuzokhuliswa umfana to be indoda. Lalela asisethu lesikhathi kodwa se upper house. Stay tuned. Yeah, we're back again here. We're engaging live. We're with one of the organizers here event. In fact, one of the leaders. Yeah, la upper room. Sisahleni abuzozisho umholi ukuthi ubani. Oh, bathi yakho umholi la. Hey, yeah, come hold. We are all gents. We are all gentlemen. Sizokhuluma ngobudoda, my leader.
Leadership.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm good, leader.
Tikama Sibusiso Wagamlilo, Mr.
Mr. Okay.
So I'm one of the founding members of Upper Room. Today, Sila Erifli, and we're having an icebreaker. It's the first time that we've met as members. We've been on socials, communicating on socials throughout the curriculum year to whatever sessions that we're doing. It was on socials, but today we decided to engage physically and have an icebreaker for support.
Wow, that's great. Tell us the name, Upper Room, because it's so touching and it's tasty.
Yes.
You know, because when you talk about into upper,
Yes.
ukhuluma ngento unlimited. Brief us more about the Upper Room.
So it's exactly what you said, leadership. It's unlimited. It's an elevation room. That's
Yeah.
what we're trying to do, where we're taking each other from step one up to the highest step possible. So we've got different speakers from different departments of life. We've got people who are coming from legal, we've got people who are coming from health, we've got people who are coming from finance, anything that you can think of that is relevant to a man being taken from bottom to top. So all our intent is to assist each other throughout the journey of manhood, so that whoever is struggling, even if you find yourself at the bottom, you are lifted up high. That's why it's called the upper room.
That's why it's called the upper room. Before simtetela kitchen, as you can see, lapaya usayomasha engine iyavutha ngimdonsile ngoba engine isavutha. Listen, one thing my leader said ukuthi they are engaging with all expect abantu abaku different capacity of life, and ubalile ukuthi kuphi na kuphi abantu kwama expect. I believe ukuthi abayasizakala abantu, because you know thina amadoda sina offices kala kuzo. I can't put me abuseka emotionally and physically, then manje uthula udaba la kube khona umuntu ongilalelayo. So I believe Upper Room is one of the organizations whereby kuzoba rehab okanye counseling room for amadoda.
Precisely, leadership. Today, as you can see, we even have Ingoni FM as part of us. Nabo bazosilifta. That's our aim. Ukuthi njengoba sila Upper Room, whoever is struggling, whoever does not have a voice as a male, we have a platform where you have a voice now as a man to say, guys. We've had instances, like I said, I'm one of the guys who are founding members, where people will share their stories, whether on inbox. I remember there was one session where a guy said, if you are maybe married to a big-headed wife, so such things are things that we normally don't have a platform to talk about, but it's life. It happens. Umama makaphathisa ke likhulu kunobaba uzwakala kangcono izinto ezikhona. So we need to assist each other and tell each other ukuthi you're not alone, and ikhona indlela yokuthi usizakale. This is a rehab for us, and we're assisting each other. Whether by virtue of your experiences in life you feel ukuthi you've failed. Sometimes there's a saying that says you have to learn from failures. So you might seem to have failed, but you only to find what you're assisting someone else with whatever you've come across, and it becomes a lesson, and it becomes indlela ukuthi omunye ngabe asangena la owangena.
As in, Angfungu Mosha, he said a mouthful. He said a mouthful. You know what? Stay tuned. So long as
Leadership usayokora naye.
Yeah, Saukora.
Futhi engaging live silaku Upper Room badlala ama games 5-a-side. Nama brothers amila about 2 no brother uMangethe uzwani ngapha yena uMeliso Sibanda. Sizobuzana nje about what they are doing there. Kwenzakalani brother Sibanda yini leniyenza la why uthatha decision yokudlala isport as amadoda?
Yes. Thank you so much, leader. Into engayiveza ukuthi akusilula ukuhlanganisa amadoda. Akusilula ukuhlanganisa amadoda. So uma ufuna ukuhlanganisa amadoda, before i-agenda kumele ibe khona enye into ezoba interesta kuleyo gathering. Yes. So 80 or 90% amadoda ayalithanda ke ibhola. Siyalithanda ibhola. So bekulula kakhulu ukuthi sithole nenamba esinayo kanje ngoba sithi sizobe sihlangene before ama-discussions sidlala ibhola.
No, it's good. Mangethe, is sport and life balance. What is your take about that sport, not balance in general?
Uma ngitshela nje indaba yokubhalansa social life ne-sports. Uma ubheka kakhulu, we as a South Africans, iyona into esesiyibonile ukuthi iyakhona ukuhlanganisa elifini. Even abantu kuthiwa mhlambe they are different in cultures and race, but when it comes to sports, yenza ukuthi laba bantu babe into eyodwa because they support this thing sport. So we took that initiative about let's have this day where we meet and greet. Asazane ora nje futhi mangakutshela nje kancane I got a call from brother Mr. Usbaya. That time I was in KZN. But mfowethu nginento ekanje. And then I quote his story ngathi ngiyafuna ukuthi ngibe ingcenye yalento. So ngifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi lento is not about into yasibhulu. We are here today outing, but this thing we want ukuthi yenzeke eSouth Africa. Umuntu osempumalanga akwazi ukuthi atholakala usizo KZN. Sifuna abantu abase-KZN babe yiphathi yalento. We want to build this man. Sifuna ukuthi kube yona ndoda kusasa ezoba indoda ezokwathi isakhele izwe. In our society mfethu uyabona ukuthi amadoda alimele kakhulu. So we took this initiative ukuthi asisondeleni amadoda siwasondeze akwazi ukuthi enze into eyodwa sakhane. Uma ubheka nje around uyabona ukuthi the young boys abakhona. Those are the kids esifuna ukuba nurture ukuthi kusasa babe amadoda qotho.
No, siyabonga Mangethe. Before sihamba engaging life nihambe nathi la because special abaholi the organizing committee. What was the difficulties of organizing this event? In number whilst you're planning such an event, and you know also ukuthi ufundile kukho implementation. Yini ekufundisile nje through planning such an event a successful one?
Yazi, to be honest with you, when I'm holding ama challenges azange sibe nawo kangako. I think the only thing enginoticile nje into yesikhathi. But on their side, laba abasiboleka le nto. But ngithandile ukuthi I think in upper house yonke 7 o'clock konke na. Okay, 7 o'clock bese sila. But ngale nto ukuthi ke asisebenzi sodwa. So ngifundile lapho ukuthi mawuplana ungaplani planele upper house kuphela. You understand ukuthi kunamanye ama stakeholders azosebenzisana nawo and they might inconvenience you somehow. But so far nje akukhokutheli kangako. And for abantu abaqalayo in fact ukuqamba manje impressed kakhulu.
What is the coming event now futhi alandelayo after this? Yini izoyenza? What is the purpose of the event? Yeah. Wenzelana no event lawas alandelayo.
Njoba sekashilo Mangethe ukuthi asisinhlangano yohlanga oluthize or tribe ethize isonto elithize yabona uhlobo labantu abathize yabo sihlanganise amasonto different sahlanganisa inhlanga different sahlanganisa ama regions ahlukene ase South Africa. 28 February sise KZN meet and greet. Imajuba district will be playing against Abakulusi district. Siyeza eMpumalanga siyeza eDurban. Yabo before siphumela ngaphandle kwekhaya sisathi nje ake simobilize la ngaphakathi. Wonke lama event ngala lawo amancane esiwenza njengamanje. Sase build up towards the main event. Our main event official launch ezoba ngomhla ka-1 June. I mean ngomhla ka-7 June Soweto Theatre. Lapho ke kube hlangene wonke ama regions. KZN, Mpumalanga, Gauteng, sonke sibe silapho.
No, siyabonga kakhulu my brother. Then into egcina question maybe la kubangethe ngasiza ukuthi usansale lo point. Ihlangana kuphi apha manje? Nihlanganela kuphi? Yini nendawo la nitha khona nenze ama discussion nihlangana kanjani?
But okwamanje e-upper room sihlangana ku social media space. Ngama Wednesday siyahlangana sineningi where sihlangana lapho ke kusuke wonke everyone oyilunga uma sihlangene mfethu abantu abajoinayo on that Wednesday more than 100 from all corners of South Africa. So uyabona ukuthi amadoda they are eager for this thing ukuthi ngempela yenze. So I'll invite anyone officer to join upper room. Is welcome. Ukuthi angajoyina ngolesithathu athole ilinki, then sihlanganele sakheni South Africa, sakheni indoda eqobo.
No, siyabonga mangathi sifaka kakhulu. Ngizwile ke pastor brother Spy. Isikhohle lethi ukuthi la inhlangano asisiwe abaphaza ama-titles aselisembweni. Sokhohle ukuthi ama-title ahamba. Kodwa sizwile ngendlela ukuthi ke ngiyizwa la uMtswana iyafuna ukuvela lento. Yes, iswazi lento iyafuna ukuvela lento. Bafuna manje lama link lawo pastor odala
Ngizakuxolela
sengijwayele lento. Bayithola kanjani insizwa rondo amadoda afuna ukuba angakazi angasiniki upper house bangawathola kanjani ama-link
sesiyatholakala on socials, on Facebook Upper House SA, Instagram Upper House SA, naku TikTok Upper House SA. Acala ukuthi basifollowe abafowethu izwe lonke nje njengoba ngingachaza ukuthi akusinhlangano yala igoli kuphela njengoba shilo mfowethu. Sisatholakala kuzo zonke le ndawo. Mhlambe for more info ungaxhumana no-admin wethu. admin@upperhouse.co.za. Upper House egcineni onganawo Upper House without egcineni. Siyatholakala lapho for more info.
No, sibonga kakhulu bafethu engaging lives batholile nazi amadoda akhona la ahlanganile and ngiyabona ukuthi ke bajulukile impela bajulukile nje impela ungaboni ngoba kusebusuku kodwa bajulukile impela badlala ibhola bahlangana then now isikhathi sokungathi ke kuya network manje stay tuned. Yeah, welcome back. Sila engaging live. Whereby sikhuluma namadoda ngobudoda. Sila e-upper room. It's not about engaging live, but it's more about amadoda. You know, siloke nje bayakhuluma abafowethu bayasho ukuthi we are here to workshop one another. We are here for a healing session. So now one of the members, the upper room uzozisho umfowethu ukuthi ubani wakabani and i-upper room imsize ngani okanye what is it le abona ukuthi i-upper room izosiza ngamadoda malidi
Baba njani?
siyaphila
Siyaphila.
nje umlalelo engaging life ukuthi ubani umholi i-upper room nje
Okhulumayo uMr Gugu Msimamo. Imember ye-upper room. Upper room indawo la sipotla khona njengamadoda. Angithi siyazi la eMzantsi Afrika amadoda ayavaleleka. As a young age or in its middle age, middle age, 40 upwards. Yeah, sisibonile ukuthi kunama challenges esiwabhekile abafethu bangena kuma divorce abangawa expectanga abanye baze ba decide ukuthi umhlaba uyaphela but manje sikhona thina as upper room ukuthi there's still life even after ama storms obhekana nawo ezindoda and we are here to help one another nokuthi ke sikhulisane kuzo zonke izinto siyathemba ukuthi baningi amadoda azosizakala nathi mhlambe kukhona la esothola khona usizo ngokuya kwendabo nokukhula kwenhlangano yethu i-upper room. Thank you.
You know, angifuni kuyimosha sekashilo. By the way, that's my friend.
Yeah, okunye ke baphika igoli lami ke la. Mina ngikorile ke angidlali ngakona. Baphika nje igoli.
Abaphikanga beka offside.
Ngithi usasenamandla mkhulu.
Hayi. Nawo makhetha ngaphaya. Yabona? Ngane nikuziwa amadala.
Hey barabadla.
Upper House engaging live again. Another interview esibhizi ngayo manje siphethe ubrother wethu uzosichazela ukuthi ubani igama before siqhubeka ngama-questions ethu ukuthi ungasichazela ukuthi ubani igama.
Sanibonani, ugogo wakamsimango oyimember ye-upper room.
Ugugu wakamsimanga awusitshele ukuthi kwenzakalani yini le enidicide ukuyenza nikwenzelani?
Esidecide ukukwenza sibonile ukuthi kune-void emadodeni, abafethu bayalimala, abafethu bayayikhunga, abafethu bahlaselwa ama-depression because akuna ndawo yokubhodla. So sivule nje indawo yokuthi umuntu akakwazi ukuthi azi ukuthi there is a brother ongakwazi ukulalela isikhalo sakhe. Yes.
No, siyabonga kakhulu. Shuthi it's a place of safe for amadoda.
Yes, it's a place of safe for amadoda because we iqiniso lithi it's not all about ukuthi GBV yenziwa amadoda kuphela. Amanye amadoda ayayithola iGBV emizini yawo, but kube nzima to cough out ukuthi ayalimala because of asabuhlekwa. But here we're not laughing at any issue. We take it serious. Noma ngabe ungazana yiphi issue encane kangakanani. And the other thing is we want to network sazi ukuthi as we know ukuthi some of us banama business and we want to uplift one another and support one another, not to go somewhere while my brother is dealing with something similar to the one I need.
Yeah, so ungasho ukuthi kena indoda angithi bathi bona indoda must. Wena uthi indoda what must he do? Ubudoda uvela kanjani?
Yeah, what I can say, ubudoda, it's something you don't run away from your responsibilities. Indoda ihlazo elenzile iyalivuma, il-accept, ifunde emaphutheni ayo. Then ubudoda lo, but awusindoda mawubalekela amaphutha wakho. And the other thing ebayi ama-issues abanye abafethu nebengena emshadweni they neglect abantwana ababatholiye ngaphandle. So we're trying to say ukuthi indoda ayingene nayo wonke umthwalo wayo emshadweni, waziwe wonke umshado ukuthi zikhona nezinye izingane ngaphandle, kungathandwa lezi ezilayindini kuphela.
No, siyabonga kakhulu my brother. Ukhulume kakhulu. And I'm happy ukuthi ke nasila is engaging life sinamadoda la akhona in upper house, and then there's a lot of things enizenzayo to uplift one another. Yeah, nama-business akhona ngiyabona ukuthi ke niyasizana. What is the challenge yini networking ongazi ukuthi yini lokho ukuthi network nenzana network?
Masithi siya networker, we trying to ukuthi everything ibe around us, ingabi far. Yonke into kusho ukuthi no se KZN akwazi ukuthi ukhona umuntu ose Gauteng ongakwazi ukuthi angangisiza eloke ese Gauteng. So that's part of networking, because networking ikwazi ukureacha la thina mhlambe singakwazi ukuthi sifike khona immediately ngaleso sikhathi.
No, siyabonga kakhulu, ukhuluma kahle impela. Engaging live isazonilandela i-upper room le, ngiyacabanga kuzogcina the-extended room ngoba izogcina kutholakala yonke indawo, because what you are doing it's what into lento sibiza i-paradigm shift, ukuthi kana ingqondo yabantu ishintshe ukubona indoda nje njengomuntu nje ongakwazi ukuthi wenzani. Amadoda ahlangana wodwa ashift izinto eziningi ukuthi ngokuvumelana nje ngombono wodwa nje.
Yes.
Sibonga kakhulu brother wethu. Siyabonga engaging life. This is my last interview. Awaseka amadoda manje ahambile. Kuba
Lishonile la.
Lishonile.
Siyabonga.
Engaging Life, sila ku-upper room, still enjoying ubudoda namadoda. Bashilo, sigumo ku-counseling, sizobhodla singamadoda. We were having lana one of a member, yala upper room, who happens to be my blood brother. You know, I told us to one, and why we here and the upper room, imfundisen okanye, why I engage in the upper room, ubona uthi ngabasiza ngani. Mfowethu, kahle mfowethu, sasibika kazi.
Amen.
Thank you kazi.
No, igama lami ngumzanini wakambatha usonta eBlessings. Yiyo yonke iBlessings. No, le nhlangano le engiyingenile mina ngibona ukubaluleka kwayo kakhulukazi amadoda ukuthi esikhathini esiningi bathi amadoda ngekhaya. Yeah, so ilapho esikhala khona-ke sibeka khona ukuthi guys nayi inkinga engibhekene nayo singayisolva kanjani nhlanhla leyo kukhona abadlule lapho.
Yes.
And then what I like about this lokhu njalo inhlangano ukuthi asizi ngey'khundla.
Oh yeah.
Akekho nesikhundla la othi hayi mina ngubishop bani sonke siyalingana. Lapho sizobona khona ubumina hayi umuntu behind isikhundla yabona because isikhundla siyabambana manje once aphuma esikhundleni uba uwe uyabona mosekhaya awusuki ubishop bani umzwandile bonakala ubumzwandile so kunala sinalelo thuba lelo ukuthi sidlale whatever sikufunayo sikwazi ukusizakala because ekugcineni emasontweni kakhulukazi yebo sasizakala kodwa hayi ngaleyo ndlela leyo.
No, konto oyishilo wathi lana asiphusha indaba yobubandla kanye agenda amabandla ethu. That's very profound. Into engiyithandayo, I can see that we come from different dominations, we come from different backgrounds. I pray and hope ukuthi uNkulunkulu apha kumayiphamandla and sustain. Last word from you to umlaleli Engaging Life, message upper room.
I-message ilula, you come as you are and uphume so different and the thinking yakho iphume so different. Ulwazi olukhona ku-upper room angeke ulithole noma yikuphi. Sinama-professional la ku-upper room which all level, all expert. Health, education, church, all over. Spiritually bakhona le. Wozani nizo-joina siye phambili zamadoda siye kulukhala singazi sikhalela kuphi kodwa nayo indawo yokukhala ibambe lapho.
In short, ukungena kwakho angeke kufane nokuphuma kwaso. Yeah, sila upper house, see Engaging Life. But it's not more about Engaging Life, but it's about amadoda nobudoda. It's more about upper house. We are wrapping up this evening. Wow, ningathuka ukuthi ba isikhathi yet people are still coming in, people are still enjoying. That shows ukuthi singamadoda, ukuthi really we don't have an office, but here it's our therapy.
Yeah, no, it's one of the best therapy is to when you show good you exercise the muscles. And once you muscle exercise, you're able to think better and you have a positive attitude over your life. Because exercises relaxes your mind.
Yeah, exercises relaxing your mind. You know what? Ungozi uba indoda evila pha nokucabanga.
Yeah. If indoda ingacabangi isesihogweni on its own.
Kahle hle usibosha ngokwakho.
Yeah, uzibophe wena because lento sithi ngesilungu you're self-distracted.
Yeah. You know what? Catch us again in the upper room. In fact, upper house. Catch us again. Go to their socials. Go to their platform. Man bafuna nibathole lalela madoda sondelani. This is your chance. This is your platform.
Yeah, nikhumbule amadoda wodwa afuneka la sibuilda i-community through upper house.
Yes. Susa umfana abe indoda. Like we're wrapping up guys, mina ngikhathele.
Yeah. Kunini ngisebenza nale nto engiyiphetha ngi-advertise la kodwa Engaging Life siyatholakala kuma-social medias onke uzosithola. Engaging Life ikhona ku-TikTok, siyatholakala naku-TikTok manje. Engaging Life iyatholakala ku-YouTube, sikhona ku-YouTube. Email address uzoyifaka umuntu ozoba yenza lento ezasho ukuthi ufaka wonke these details.
Yeah.
If you want to talk to the Pastor Mbata, you can email. There will be an email address. Want prayers? Pastor Chris is here. Pastor Mbata is here. We pray. We believe in prayers. We are a spiritual show.
Yeah, we are a spiritual show. Lalela, go to YouTube. just type in Engaging Life Plus. YouTube, it's Engaging Life Plus. Other platforms, it's just Engaging Life.
Yeah, sisasekhona sazosibona nje
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
kulo nyaka lo we just extending the level
Yeah.
esiyenzayo in terms of broadcasting ukuthi kwenze sure ukuthi engaging life keep on engaging.
Yeah, Engaging Life, where love matters.
So, yeah.
ama-benefit lawo ukuthi umuntu ayitshantayo